Topaz AI versus Photoshop. Which one is actually better for editing photos? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Topaz AI and Adobe Photoshop, two of the most popular tools for photo editing, so you can decide which one fits your workflow and goals. Let's start with Photoshop. It's been the gold standard for decades. Full control over every pixel, powerful layers, masking, retouching, and more. If you're a pro editor or need deep creative freedom, Photoshop still wins by a mile. But it has a learning curve and usually takes more time to get things done. Now let's talk about Topaz AI. Topaz focuses on AI-powered tools that speed up editing, like removing noise, sharpening images, upscaling, and even adjusting structure and clarity automatically. It's super fast and perfect if you want clean results without spending hours in front of sliders. So who wins? If you want full creative control and precision, Photoshop is still king. But if you're looking to edit faster and use smart AI tools that do the heavy lifting, Topaz might be your move. Both are great, just used in different ways depending on how deep you go into your edits. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.